So in this video, I'm going to teach you 5 side hustles that you can start today that is seriously profitable. Anyway, and just for the record, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or telling you to sign up to a cryptocurrency or start day trading, because none of that is actually going to help you build a sustainable business. The first one is social media management, which is such a highly profitable and scalable business that you can start literally right now. It's something that I do on a daily basis. That's helped my marketing agency get to £10,000 per month in pre-tax revenue within the last 12 months. There are so many companies out there that either don't know how to post on social media, don't have time to post on social media, don't know how to do it correctly using the right trending sounds and using the correct hashtags. And they're looking for individuals like you to run their social media accounts so they don't have to deal with the stress, and they're getting their posts every 1 or 2 days or once a week or whatever the requirements would be. Now, I'm telling you this as a fact. I know this hands down. You can approach a local company. It may not be the first one you go to or the second one, but you will get one that will pay you £500 per month just to simply sit at home and run their social media account, posting the photos, posting the reels with the correct hashtag and the trending sounds, and helping them reply to their messages. Now, there's also an add-on to this, which is something I do on a daily basis, is filming and taking photos of their content. If you can turn up to their location and take videos and photos, come home, edit the content, and then do the social media management side of things, you can charge them from £1,000 to £3,000 a month, and that's exactly what I do every single day. Now that leads me on to the next one, which is photography or videography. If you're somebody like me and you know how to use a camera, not necessarily on a professional camera, but you can do it nowadays on an iPhone. These things are so good at what you actually need to get done. It's ridiculous. But with that being said, you can obviously make more money if you're a professional and you've got a proper camera. Taking videos and taking photos for clients, it could be restaurants, dentist practices, building sites, promotional videos, just helping companies build their online presence, which can also tie into number 1 and number 2 of social media management or photography and videography. Number 3 is freelance editing. If you know how to either use CapCut again on your phone, or if you're a little bit more advanced, you can use Premiere Pro or Final Cut. There are so many companies out there looking for editors to edit content. It's really that simple. You can also sign up to places like Upwork and Fiverr where you can list your services. It could be wedding editing, it could be commercial editing, it could be promotional video editing, it could be photo editing. I know probably 5 wedding photographers who subcontract their editing out because they simply don't have time to edit the photos themselves. Moving on to number 4 is YouTube. If you're good at something, either being on camera, teaching people how to use a camera, teaching people how to make money online, similar to this YouTube channel, or just showcasing something to someone, then you can build an audience and monetize off that audience. When you grow big enough on YouTube, you can actually start running advertisements. It doesn't matter if you're playing Call of Duty or uploading videos like this. Once your channel becomes big enough, it's such a great passive income. People don't actually understand how much money you can make from it. There are so many channels you can go down, playing games, uploading videos like this, creating a group, doing pranks, being like the Sidemen, being like a Mr. Beast. If you're good at something, upload it and make money from YouTube. And lastly, number 5 is Amazon FBA. Now, 1 year ago, I wouldn't say to do this as a side hustle because it is quite saturated. However, one of my good friends is an importer and exporter for Amazon FBA, and he makes an absurd amount of money. He also does live seminars where he teaches people, and because of my skill set, videography and photography, I have filmed every single one of them, and I've actually learned a lot from him on how to start Amazon FBA. And the biggest thing I've learned from him, and I'm gonna give you this for absolutely free, is if you have the right product and the right listing and you know how to do Amazon with your eyes closed, it doesn't matter how many other people are selling the product. Oh, Jesus. If you're able to find a product that either solves a problem around the house or solves a problem in life, that is an impulse buy, which pretty much means people buy it without even thinking about the price, which sounds crazy, but it's a thing, believe me, then you can make money on Amazon because you found the right product, you've got the right listing, it's highly scalable, and you can start Amazon FBA. So those are my top 5 recommendations in order to start a brand new side hustle in 2023. I personally wouldn't go down the route of trading online or doing cryptocurrencies or Amazon affiliates, or it's just something that I have never really looked into, and I don't really believe there's people on top of the food chain making money off that person and he's making money off you, and it's just a big bubble that you don't really want to get involved in. The best thing to do is to start your own business like I have. I've got a marketing agency doing videos, doing filming. It's controlled by me. There's no one above me. There's no one below me. I make my money day in, day out, and it's really that simple. So hopefully this video has helped you. If you're looking for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.